In Manipur, the state government has announced complete statewide lockdown for 14 days from 2 p.m. tomorrow. The move comes after some local persons without travel histories were found positive for COVID-19. The decision to implement total lockdown and curfew was taken during an emergency state cabinet meeting held this evening at Imphal. More from our correspondent.
Briefing the media persons at Imphal, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that the opinion of health experts who are members of State Consultative Committee on COVID-19 were taken into confidence before the decision was taken. Considering the outbreak of COVID-19 mainly in Thawwan area where people who do not have travel history were confirmed of positive, the cabinet meeting decided to enforce the lockdown from 2 p.m. tomorrow for 14 days. The case happening in the Thawwan district area is suspected to be local transmission. The Chief Minister said the curfew to be implemented from tomorrow will be different from the earlier one. Said government will enforce the curfew strictly and fines will be levied who violate the social distancing norms, not wearing masks, speaking in public places and coming out in the public places and mass gathering. This is JJ Thoksom from Imphal for AIR News.